Okay, what is the length of the longest pole that will fit inside this container? So let's imagine it's from that corner all the way through to that corner. But how do we get there? First, we need to look at this triangle here. It's got a right angle there. And this side must be 2.33 meters. Okay, so that side, and that side, and that side would all be there. And then this side here would be 5.89 meters. So we need to find the length of between here and here. So using Pythagoras, we know that if that's A, B, and C, then A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Hence, 2.33 squared plus 5.89 squared equals C squared. So C equals the square root of 2.33 squared plus 5.89 squared. So how do I do that on my calculator? I clear it, and then I'm going to go square root, bracket, 2.33 squared plus 5.89 squared, and close the bracket. And I get 6.33 to 2dp. So C equals 6.33 to 2 decimal places. Oh, and what units is that? Meters. So let's go to where we're doing this, which is here. Let's try our, we can remember, 6.33. 6.33 and submit. Oops. Yeah, okay, so I jumped the gun a bit there. What we found out is that this is 6.33 meters from here to here, right? We haven't got the longest pole because we're trying to find this length here. So it's a classic mistake of being partway through the problem and then kind of thinking you've done it. There's a right angle here, and this length will be the same as this length here, so that's the 2.38 meters here. So we're doing Pythagoras again. So without all this formula and everything, I'm going to do the same calculation. So this is my new A, B, and C. So our new C is going to be the 6.33 squared plus the 2.38 squared in brackets and take the square root. However, we want to watch out for premature rounding. So I'm actually better off using what I've already got on my calculator. So if I square that, right, then I've got my 6.33 squared, but with all the information intact. And then I'm going to add the 2.38 squared. And I'm going to execute to get the answer of that. And then I need to go to the square root of that answer. And so that's 6.77. So let's get back to here. And I think we just go back arrow. And 6.77. And submit. Oh, that was better. Thank goodness. Next question. Now, that looks interesting. I'll just set the question up.